Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this segment, we'll go over how to select the best replacement battery and guide you through the replacement process. So, let's get started and make sure you're ready to tackle this job with confidence. Tools needed for replacement. Before diving into the replacement process, gather these essential tools and items. Having everything on hand will make the job quicker and smoother. Wrenches. A set of wrenches, including an adjustable one, is crucial. Socket set. Make sure you have a variety of socket sizes. Screwdrivers. Both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Battery terminal puller. Handy for removing stubborn battery terminals. Safety gear. Gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself. Replacement battery. Ensure it's the correct type and model for your vehicle. Anti-corrosion spray. To prevent future corrosion on terminals. Clean cloths. For wiping down and cleaning the battery area. Multimeter. To check the voltage and ensure the battery is functioning correctly. Step-by-step replacement process. Replacing your auxiliary battery can be broken down into clear, manageable steps. Follow these instructions to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Turn off the vehicle and disconnect power. Make sure your vehicle is turned off. Remove the key from the ignition. Disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any electrical shocks or shorts. Locate and remove the old battery. Find the auxiliary battery in your vehicle. Refer to your vehicle's manual if necessary. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to remove the battery holder and cables attached to the terminals. Clean the battery terminals. Once the old battery is removed, check the battery tray and terminals for any corrosion or dirt. Use a clean cloth and anti-corrosion spray to clean these areas thoroughly. Install the new battery. Place the new auxiliary battery into the battery tray. Make sure it fits snugly and the terminals are accessible. Reattach the battery holder to secure the new battery in place. Connect the terminals. Start by connecting the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten each terminal securely but avoid over-tightening. Use the battery terminal puller if needed to ensure a firm connection. Test the new battery. Use the multimeter to check the voltage of the new battery. It should read around 12.6 to 12.8 volts when fully charged. Turn on the vehicle to ensure everything is functioning properly. Finalize the installation. Double-check all connections to make sure they are tight and secure. Clean up any tools and materials used during the replacement process. By following these steps, you can replace your auxiliary battery with confidence. Always remember to wear safety gear and take your time to ensure everything is done correctly. Maintaining your auxiliary battery. Your auxiliary battery is like the unsung hero of your vehicle. It powers essentials like electronics and backup features, keeping everything running smoothly. To ensure it lasts as long as possible, regular maintenance is key. Here are some tips and signs to look out for that indicate a professional inspection might be needed. Regular maintenance tips. Keeping your auxiliary battery in top shape doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some straightforward tips for regular checks and care. Visual inspections. Check the battery regularly for any signs of corrosion or damage. Look for any buildup around the terminals and clean them if needed. Keep it clean. Dirt and grime can affect battery performance. Wipe the battery surface with a damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. Tighten connections. Loose battery cables can lead to power issues. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Charge regularly. Just like the main battery, the auxiliary battery needs to be charged. Use your vehicle regularly or consider an external charger to keep it charged. Temperature control. Batteries don't like extreme temperatures. Park your car in a garage or shaded area to protect the battery from excessive heat or cold. Fluid levels. Although many modern batteries are maintenance-free, some still require checking and topping off fluid levels. Make sure to use distilled water if needed. Signs that you need a professional inspection. Sometimes, DIY maintenance isn't enough. Knowing when to seek professional help can save you from bigger issues down the road. Here are some situations when it's best to consult a pro. Frequent recharging. If you find yourself needing to recharge the battery constantly, it might be a sign of a deeper issue. Unusual sounds. Clicking noises or strange sounds when starting your vehicle can indicate battery trouble. Dashboard warnings. If your dashboard lights are flickering or an alert is showing up, don't ignore it. These can be early signs of battery problems. Slow engine crank. A slow engine crank can mean your battery is struggling. If it takes longer than usual for your engine to start, it's time to get it checked. Visible damage. Any swelling, leakage, or physical damage to the battery is a red flag. This needs immediate professional attention. Age. Batteries don't last forever. If your auxiliary battery is over 3 years old and showing signs of wear, it might be time for a replacement. By following these tips and keeping an eye out for warning signs, you can prolong the life of your auxiliary battery and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Always remember, regular maintenance is the best way to avoid costly repairs and keep your car in good health. Cost of auxiliary battery replacement in 2024. Replacing the auxiliary battery in your vehicle can seem like a daunting task, but knowing the costs involved can help you budget and make informed decisions. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you can expect to pay in 2024. Average cost of batteries. Auxiliary batteries come in various types and brands, each with its own price range. Generally, you can expect to spend anywhere from $50 to $300 depending on what you need. Here's a quick look at the different price points. Budget batteries, $50 $100. These are basic models, but they get the job done. They're ideal if cost is your main concern. Mid-range batteries, $100 $200. These offer a good balance of quality and cost. They often come with longer warranties and better performance features. Premium batteries, $200 $300. These are high-end options, often from well-known brands. They offer top-notch performance, durability, and extended warranties. The type of battery you choose should align with your vehicle's needs and your own expectations. If you drive frequently or rely on your vehicle for long distances, investing in a mid-range or premium battery might be worth the extra cost. Labor costs for professional installation. If you decide to go with professional installation, you'll need to factor in labor costs. On average, labor for installing an auxiliary battery ranges from $50 to $150. Here's what you might encounter. Basic installation, $50 $75. This is a straightforward swap, perfect for those with simpler vehicle setups. It usually involves disconnecting the old battery and connecting the new one. Standard installation, $75 $100. This includes more complex setups where additional parts might need to be moved or adjusted. It might involve checking your vehicle's electrical system to ensure everything works smoothly. Complex installation, $100 $150. This is for vehicles with intricate systems or special battery placements. This often requires more time and skill, thus the higher cost. Labor costs can vary based on your location and the expertise of the technician. It's always a good idea to get quotes from multiple service providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. In summary, understanding the cost of an auxiliary battery replacement involves looking at both the price of the battery itself and the labor costs if you choose to have it installed professionally. This comprehensive knowledge can help you budget and make the best choice for your vehicle. Take action now to keep your vehicle in top shape. Don't wait until it's too late. Consider scheduling regular battery checks and replacements to prolong your vehicle's life. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.